Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video and to a new NQ market review and trades recap. Today I wanted to share with you my trading day, and I took a loser, right? Took a losing trade, and I usually don't give it too much reflections when I take a loser, because sometimes it is just the probabilities, right? So my strategy is around 70, 72, 73% win rate. Sometimes it is part of the other 30%. So I don't spend time to reflect on that, right? It is just a number. But today was different. Today I knew that it's not going to end well. Sometimes you just know, right? You have that feeling. And this is why I made this video, right? To show you the reality of trading, right? So let's start from the higher time frame. So although my bias, my direction was textbook, but like I said, my mental state was not in check in order for me to execute the right way. So let's go to the 1 hour first of all. So this is what I was looking for. You see this whole move to the downside and taking this low. So I talked about this in one of my previous videos, that this is a manipulation leg and we should see price taking this high. So this is a protected low, and you can see that when price dropped for around, this is a huge drop. This is like what, 1200 point, but you can see that price stopped here at that protected low, right? If price wants to continue to the upside, it should not take this. Otherwise, it will open the door to lower prices, likely to here, right? Because there is nothing in here. Everything is mitigated here. So the next target is maybe this low and then this low right here. So you can see that price rejected beautifully from this. So I was looking now for longs, right? In the last couple of days. If we zoom in, we can see that we have pretty much the same thing here on the 15-minute. Price rated to here, swept this low, right? And then traded it upside. Huge move to the downside, and price stopped to this low right here. And now we are trading to the upside. Same thing happening on the 15-minute. All I'm looking for right now is the same. But I couldn't trade on the AM session for personal business, right? So I let this pass, right? Although it was really beautiful. And on the AM session, I was seeing this trend, right? I saw that price took this low, okay? And we are building this trend to the upside. So there's a good opportunity. So there's a good chance that we're gonna take the high from here, right? So now I'm looking for price sweeping low. That's it. Price sweeping a low and then continuing to the upside. So what happened here is that when we were trading to the upside, I saw this. Price sweeping this low. Price also sweeping this low. Swept this low, right? After each sweep, we see a move to the upside. Move to the upside, another move to the upside, and then I saw this. Now I'm looking for longs. Price didn't give me that here, right? Nothing for my taste. So what happened is that price took this high, and when price took this high, I just knew that I should not be looking for longs right now. I should let price decide what it wants to do, whether it wants to take the low from here, because this low is considered as a weak low. We couldn't make a new high, or maybe reject from here and make a new high, right? So this is not something that you want to participate in the lower time frames. If you are trading in the 15-second and you want to long, and you see that your higher time frame, your parent time frame, is unable to close above that high, this is a red flag. And I took so many losses because of this, but because of my mental state, like I said, I didn't have the, I don't know, the willpower or something like that to stop and wait. I just wanted to finish the day, take a trade, right, and close the chart. But pretty much every single time I have that feeling of urgency, of being uncomfortable, right? It reflects bad on the chart, right? So what happens is that we came back to take this low right here, right? And I'm going to show you how it looks like on the 15-second, how the trades look, right? So we came back to take the low, and then we have this really beautiful trade to the upside, right? Just like it happened here and here, right? So here you can see the 15-second chart. So my idea was this: I saw the sweep here, this low start turning to the upside, right? And you can see that price traded to this high right here and fell to take it. And you can see that even on the 15-second we don't have really convincing closures, and I usually target the high from here, right? And I usually target this high right here, right? In normal days I would target this high. So you can see that price couldn't make a new high. Now price can either trade it to here, right, and find support, sweep something, and then trade to the upside, or the second option, which is a more probable one, is taking the low that failed to take the high, right? So price set it to here, and I saw that this imbalance, bearish imbalance, is basically going to get closed, right? So let me take the trade from here and write the trend, right? And you can see that it didn't happen. Price came back all the way to here, swept this low, right, and then traded to the upside. And this was really clean. I know that I could find an opportunity to participate in this move, but I closed the chart after taking the loser here, right? For me, I know that I made the right decision. I strongly recommend you guys to, when you don't feel like you're not in the right mental state, you have that feeling that you're unable to make an informed decision, a decision based on logic, close the chart, or at least close the chart after one loss. One loss is very manageable. You can make it up tomorrow. Maybe it's hard to sleep on it, especially that it is a loss that is not part of your plan. So I hope you like this video, guys. If you have any questions, DM me on my Twitter account or leave a comment down below, and I will answer you as soon as I can.